Lon, L-O-N, last name Nguyen, N-G-U-Y-E-N.
You're a sergeant with the Sheriff's Department?
Correct.
Where are we and what happened?
So today at approximately 12:15 this morning, we received a radio call of a person that had been shot, and deputies responded to the scene. They located a 29-year-old male suffering from a single gunshot wound to the back. Paramedics transported the victim to Palomar Hospital with wounds that we believe are non-life-threatening. The incident occurred at the intersection of North Santa Fe and West Connecticut in the City of Vista. Our investigation's still in the preliminary stages. We have our detectives that are responding to the scene as we speak, and they'll be conducting their investigation.
Any idea how long the road will be closed, or if it will affect the morning commute?
We anticipate it should take a few hours. I don't think it will impact the commute for the morning.
Is there any suspect description at this time?
I don't have that information at this time. We have a generic vehicle description. I haven't confirmed the details of that, but we anticipate releasing a press release once we have compiled all the information and gone through our preliminary investigation. We'll go ahead and release a press release with the specific details.
And also, just in case it's already known or not, is there any reason at this point to believe it might be gang related? Either way.
We haven't confirmed, but we do have our investigators en route, and again, they'll be assisting us with the preliminary investigation and developing any investigative leads that may come out of this.
All right.